Once upon a time, in a far-off forest, there lived a group of animals who were all friends. Among them were a playful monkey named Max, a wise old owl named Oliver, and a kind-hearted elephant named Ellie. One day, while exploring the forest, Max stumbled upon a beautiful flower garden. He was amazed by the colorful flowers and started to play with them. Oliver and Ellie soon joined in, and they started to explore the garden. As they played, they noticed that the flowers were starting to wilt and die. They realized that they had accidentally damaged the flowers while playing with them. They felt guilty and didn't know what to do. Oliver suggested that they go and find the wise old tortoise, who lived on the other side of the forest. The tortoise was known to have a deep understanding of nature and might be able to help them. So the three friends set out on a long journey through the forest. After a while, they finally found the tortoise, who listened to their problem and offered some wise advice. The tortoise explained that all living things need care and attention to thrive, just like flowers need water and sunshine. He suggested that they should apologize to the flowers and promise to take better care of them in the future. Max, Oliver, and Ellie followed the tortoise's advice and went back to the flower garden. They apologized to the flowers and promised to take better care of them. They watered the flowers and made sure they had plenty of sunshine. Over time, the flowers started to bloom again, and the garden became more beautiful than ever before. Max, Oliver, and Ellie learned an important lesson about the importance of taking care of nature and the value of seeking advice from wise elders. The moral of the story is that all living things need care and attention to thrive. And it's important to seek advice from wise elders when faced with a problem.